Hi, and welcome to OwnerRez. An application programming interface, or API, refers to the technical ability of software systems to talk to each other based on a partnership or agreement. And that's what OwnerRez can do on your behalf. Talk to channels like Vrbo and Airbnb and transmit your property's content, rates, rules, availability, and more. The channel would then communicate back to OwnerRez with your booking and guest data as changes occur on the channel in real time. This video will walk you through the steps of setting up your API connection with Airbnb. If you'd like to connect with Vrbo, please watch our Vrbo channel integration video. To get started with setting up your channel integration connection with Airbnb, select Settings on the bottom far left of your menu bar, and then under Channel Management, select Channel Integrations. Now select Connect Airbnb from the list of available channels, and you'll be asked if you'd like to create a new Airbnb account from scratch inside of OwnerRez, or if you'd like to connect an existing Airbnb account. Please note that if you have multiple Airbnb accounts, before proceeding, make sure that you are already logged in to the Airbnb account you are wanting to API connect with OwnerRez. Similarly, if you are a co-host, you must connect to an existing Airbnb account using the host credentials. For this example, we'll select Connect to an existing Airbnb account and then select Connect. You will now be directed to the Airbnb website where you'll need to approve OwnerRez by selecting Allow. OwnerRez will now detect any existing listings in your Airbnb account. If you already have listings on Airbnb, this is where you'll choose which listings you'd like to import and how you want that content applied. Here you can see that 3 listings were detected in this Airbnb account. Start by choosing one of the following options from the Action to Take dropdown. Ignore this listing, import into existing OwnerRez property, or import into new OwnerRez property. If you select Ignore this listing, OwnerRez will not import any information about this listing into OwnerRez. If you select Import into existing OwnerRez property, you will then be prompted to select the OwnerRez property and provide the what to import details. For this example, we will import the Airbnb listing information into a listing we already started working on in OwnerRez called Low Tide. We will then choose what information we'd like to import. Everything includes all property content, rates, discounts, surcharges, rules, availability, quotes, bookings, and reviews, as well as any information that can be synced. Rates and availability include only the rates, surcharges, discounts, tax settings, availability, and minimum stay rules. Property content, cancellation policies, and pet rules will not be synced. Please note that anything related to a booking, for example, bookings, messages, offers, quotes, reviews, etc., will still be synced. The third available action to take is to import into a new OwnerRez property. If you select this option, you will then enter the name of your new property into the OwnerRez name field here, and the What to Import field will be automatically set to Everything. This will automatically create a new listing inside of OwnerRez for this Airbnb listing. Once you've made your selection, make sure everything is filled out correctly, and then select Save. If you chose to import into an existing OwnerRez property, you will then be asked if you'd like to overwrite the property data inside of OwnerRez. To continue on, click Yes, Continue. You will now land on the dashboard within OwnerRez for your Airbnb channel integration. Please note that it may take some time for your property or properties to be completely imported into OwnerRez. In the meantime, the status will be onboarding/importing, as you can see here under Status, and under each listing. Now is a great time to run the Listing Quality Analyzer tool and check any imported rates, discounts, surcharges, and taxes to verify that your listing is ready to go live. You can do this by selecting the tools icon in the top right corner of your screen, scroll down, and then select Listing Quality Analyzer. From here, select your properties and then Analyze Listings. Once you verify that your listings are ready to go live, go back to Settings, Channel Integrations, and then select your Airbnb Channel Integration dashboard. The last step before going live is to configure the channel settings for Airbnb. Do this by selecting Channel Settings on the top of your screen, and then make your selections below. You can configure the cancellation policy, booking mode, house rules, security deposits, tax calculation, booking window and duration, rate adjustment, and more specifically for your Airbnb integration. For more detailed information about each of these settings, please visit OwnerRez.com/support. Once you are done configuring these settings, select Save. You are now ready to go live. To complete the connection process, click Go Live on your Airbnb channel integration dashboard. Yes, go ahead. Upgrade connection. And then scroll down to click Allow. Lastly, confirm the properties you would like to go live, and then select Go Live one more time. Once finished, your property listing status will be set to active. And you can see the last time information was changed in OwnerRez, the last time information was sent to Airbnb, and the last time a booking notification was received from Airbnb. You can also perform various actions through the Actions button here. If you chose to create a new Airbnb account at the beginning of this process, first confirm your Airbnb account by clicking the Activate Your Account link in the email sent by Airbnb, and then after you have completed your Airbnb account information, be sure to return to this page in OwnerRez and to select Change Property Mappings and either import or connect your properties. For more information on the OwnerRez API channel integration with Airbnb, please visit us at OwnerRez.com/support. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.